Welcome to the channel. Today we're doing my first upgrade to the Ford Maverick, and that's going to be the KC HiLiTE Universal Hood Lighting Kit. Here's the kit. It comes in pretty nice packaging. Inside you're going to have one of the lights up front, some wire loom, your wires, zip ties, your instruction kit, and the last light will be in this little bag here. To start off, we'll open up the hood, and down here on the Mavericks you pull it twice and there's no latch. So should be good to go, and it's going to be a little hard one-handed, but latch will just go right here. Something to look out for if you are going to install this kit on your own vehicle is make sure your hood is metal if you want to use the magnet mounts. My magnet mounts won't work because my hood is aluminum, so please look that up before you install. For this job you're going to need a 15mm wrench, a drill, and for that drill a 1/8 bit, and a Phillips. First thing you're going to want to do is install the bracket for the switch. Now, I think I'm going to install the switch right in this hole. It should fit just fine. I will need to buy some washers to make the fit a little tighter, but right there will work for me. Now, this switch is comprised of 3 parts. You're going to have your 15mm washer on the bottom. I'm using the bracket as a stand-in for the metal that we're going to be using down here to sandwich in between. Then you're going to have your on-off indicator. There we go. There's your on-off switch. On's up here, off is down here. And then you have this rubber covering for your switch itself. Now I loosely installed the switch. After that, you're gonna put your wires about where you want them. This one with the fuse is gonna go to the battery, so I'm gonna leave that down here. The other one branches off into 2 wires. The short one's gonna go to the closest side, which I'm planning on putting the lights about right here. So short side's gonna be this side. Okay, so from here, from the switch, came over, just did a temporary securement on that wire there. I ran it behind this fender because if I ran it up here, I was afraid when the hinge came down, it would have pinched the wire about right here. So instead, I went behind and then I came up and into the hood hinge. There, I'm going to wire it across. Alright, so I finished running the wires right up here, going through. You can see it there. Right in there and coming out here. This is for the left side. Right side, I have plenty of wire right here. We'll install the lights. For the lights themselves, they have this rubber piece in the middle. You just pull it out. And I'm gonna just put the light wherever I'd like it and put a Sharpie dot. Before I start drilling, I wanna make sure that I wrap my bit in tape so that when I get through the metal, I don't keep going into the top of the hood. So I left about a 1/4 inch. Should get me through just fine. Holes are drilled. Both sides are good. Now for the light, you come with these self-tapping metal screws. There we go. These screws, and they have these little black washers, so we're just going to screw those into the holes, and then the lights will be installed. Screws are in, lights are secured. Now Now all I need to do is put the little rubber KC symbol right on top to pretty it up. And I'm gonna run the black wire now. And then we can hook up these lights and see how bright they really are. Upgrades coming in the future in the engine bay a lot easier. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.